Bloody bro, family. Topics like this are sometimes hard for me to talk about, because you already know that out here we talk about, we're all stoic discipline path. We've chosen a different path called semen retention, seed retention. We are retaining our seed and making good use of it. You understand? So bloody bro, I cannot run away from the fact that I see in my videos each and every day that we are young guys. Talking about myself, we are young out here, so we are here to explore. You understand? At first we were misusing our energy, we were going with the flow of the matrix, and not knowing and understanding anything out here. Something was controlling us. So the only thing we are doing out here is retaining our seed, which means, controlling things in our life. You understand? That is the only thing we are doing out here, retaining our seed, and not like we want to cut off our anaconda and be monks and go and live in the forest and all of that. No, bloody bro, we are just being good guys out here and retaining our seed and waiting for the right time, because we know that the right time is, just a step ahead of us. Bloody bro, we are going to win and we are going to attract beautiful things. You understand? Because the purpose of retention, the reason why we are out here, as I'm saying, to attract and manifest good things in our lives. The things that we want, that we know it is necessary, it is beneficial in our life. That is the only thing we want in our lives. And yes, for sure, we are going to attract things, beautiful things, heavenly things, which stems to the fact that when it comes to women attractions, yes, for sure, as young guys growing up, that we are doing good things, the universe will reward us. If only we want to attract women, it is also a purpose. You can be on semen retention to attract that. We are young guys, as I'm saying, we cannot change the principles of life just because we are on semen retention. No, we will go with the flow. Just that at first we were dying, breaking this body down, chasing, following the portal and dying, bloody bro. So now we are out here and we will attract angelic beings out here, angelic women that are purposely for us. Do you understand? At first we walk in the streets, one night stand, we meet these girls in the streets, as I'm saying, in the clubs, and we think that we found our soulmates. No, bloody bro, you cannot walk around and just meet your soulmate just like that. We did not know what we were doing. We were children. And out here retaining our seed, we are going to be matured. And becoming matured, we will understand life and know that out here in this life that we are living, we need energy. Everything is made up of energy. So as young guys, we need our energy to maneuver through this dead world, this dark world, because we are the light out here. We shouldn't switch off our light. So out here chasing, and these women, as I am saying, we not having patience to, not having time for ourselves to wait for the right time, wait for the angelic women that God is preparing for us out here. Bloody bro, we chase and we leak our energy, throw away our energy, and at the right time that we find it, we do not even have energy to do what we want to do. You understand? A young guy, you will find you and a beautiful young girl that maybe you can have a future with. But as soon as you find this woman, you are doing courtship, like you've just met this woman, trying to know this woman, but the first thing is your anaconda, SES. You want to, every guy, these young guys out here, everybody wants to use the anaconda. They want to enter the portal. Bloody bro, in this video, that is what I'm telling you, that if you focus on the portal, you are focusing on your death. You are not focusing on positive things. You are focusing on the things that do not last. SES do not last. You understand, bloody bro? We were not manifesting positive things. So out there here, as young guys retaining our seed in this video, I want to let you know that if you are out there here genuinely with your heart and with your mind, bro, you are going to attract these women. And when you attract them, this is how you are going to keep them for life. This is how you are going to, make them addicted to you. You need to be on semen retention. Retain this, your masculine power. That is the only thing that will attract the feminine power, feminine energy to you. The right ones, the beautiful ones, the angelic ones. Bloody bro, we shouldn't drown ourselves in these attractions. And bloody bro, as I'm saying, I'm making this video, it may be you have a girlfriend, you understand, out there here, as I'm saying, we are young, we have a lot of things to do. You can be on semen retention and still be with your girl. Bloody bro, you need to know what time it is, that there is no situation that you cannot attach semen retention with. If you take semen retention out of your life, there is nothing that is going to be good in your life, bloody bro. At the end of the day, it will be, it will end. It will be negative. There is no positive thing that will come your way. We meet these women and it's all about anaconda, SES, and we lose our power. The day that we need our power, to, do things for us, the women will know that we are weak. You understand? I was talking to my friend. My friend was explaining his situation to me. And bro, sometimes, as I'm saying, my friends, how will I be able to be in the position to talk to them? Because you understand, that is the order of the day. That is what they want. They want to follow and chase. They feel good in themselves when they do that. So if I talk to them about these things, they will never understand, bro. I have friends that I introduce my videos to them. Now they are not watching it. They are not interested. They want to do things. What are you talking about? Semen retention, retaining your seed, and not doing nothing. It is the order of the day. You understand? So this, my friend was explaining it to me, and he said the girl that she's staying with right now has changed. She's not the girl that she knew years ago. Now she does not feel her, and he's searching. My friend told me that he is searching. If he find a respectful woman, a humble woman, he will settle down with that woman. And in my mind, it was playing like, you understand, we do not know what we are doing out there here. These things, these negative things are taking us away from our purpose. You understand, bloody bro? I'ma be real with you. Your girl, the woman that you are looking for, the new woman that you are looking for, what is new about this woman that you cannot find in your old woman? You understand? You've lost the connection. You've lost the communication, the link. We've lost it. Because at first, as I'm saying, it is all SES. We meet them and we are all ready. We want to remove our panties and do things. Bloody bro, that is not how we... When you find you a woman, that is when you need to be on semen retention for real. If this woman, can stay with you with that SES, then that you will know that you find you an angelic woman, because it is last out there here. You understand? Stay away, and you will know that when you stay away and you remove SES out of the equation, these women do have nothing to offer us. You understand? A lot of them have nothing to offer us. Just that women, we jump in front and always lead with our small head. But if you lead with our big head out there here, our brains, we are going to lead these women. You understand? When they come around us, we cannot lead them. So at the end of the day, they get tired. You understand? And it all stems with us women. If we know where we are going, they will lead us. They will follow us. You understand? They will let us lead. We do not have a purpose. We do not know what we are doing out there here. You understand? You have a girl. You are each and every day. You think your strength is your anaconda. But bro, no. Your strength is in your semen. Your strength is in your energy. Stop misusing it with this woman, and let this woman know that you are a man on your purpose. You can do it all right, but know that if you are not creating something, do not do that. Do not indulge in these things, bloody bro. It is okay. You are a human being to feel this lust, bloody bro. Just that we make it control us. Do not let it control you. You getting married does not mean that each and every day you have to do it. Be on semen retention. You understand? Because without your energy, these women have, they feel themselves very well when they eat energy. And this energy is not the energy that we find in food. It's not the energy that, we find outside in the supermarket, energy drinks and all of that. No, they want that masculine energy, that power. You understand? The energy that created, the energy that can create. Bro, you put it inside of them and they feel energized. And if there is, if their womb is also cleared, it is a beautiful house. It creates a baby. Bloody bro, the way our energy is energizing these women, that is why we die immediately, because there's an energy that has gone from us. You understand? So you staying with your woman and there is no connection, there is no communication, bloody bro, it all leads to the fact that you are losing as a man. These women have no problem. We need to step in, control our energy. You understand? Do not go on divorce with this woman. Retain your seed. Be a disciplined man. Be stoic with yourself. And you understand, I said in my other video, being stoic is all about controlling your emotions, not letting your anaconda control you, not letting the lust out here control you, and being the man of your life. You understand? Not leaking your energy. Stoicism is all about not wasting your energy, and retention is building your energy. If you build it up with retention, then you add stoicism to it, the stoic energy, which will help you not to leak it. Your woman is always on you. Yes, you turn on your stoic energy and know when to say no and know where to say yes. You need to stay back each and every day. You understand, bloody bro? These women love energy, and this energy, if we misuse it and do not know what we are doing with it, they will run away from us. You understand? So this, my friend, saying this is just the solution is he do not need to go and find another woman. You are having problem with your wife, bloody bro, do not go and find another woman. It all stems with the energy. If you have your energy, these women, they will be humble. That is how God created them. They are our helpers. You understand? In the beginning, that was the purpose. They are there to help us. But if we are not doing anything, how can they help us? They will run away from us. It is logic. We need to do something so that they help us. Read your Bible. They have it in their genes, in their blood, to help us. But they come around us, we are not doing anything, not having any purpose. It is only SCS, our anaconda. That is the only time we think that we are strong. No, bloody bro, we are dying slowly. You understand? So I have this last thing that one of my friends said that made me sad. This was even a woman. This woman is my friend. I talk to her each and every day, and he was explaining it to me that she does not feel her husband. She being in my presence, she feels this masculine energy. You understand? She feels me and she feels the interaction. And as I am saying, this man, it's always the anaconda. When you retain your seed and know how to make good use of your energy, bloody bro, I'ma be well with you. It is not only your anaconda. This energy is powering you up. Your conversation, your eye contact, you touching the girl, bloody bro, there is an energetic power going on. There is an energetic connection. Touching her, looking her in the eyes, she being in your presence, bloody bro, she feels that electrification in her body, and you are electrifying her, and she loves it. It is not only SES. This interaction, genuine interactions, leads to SES. But if we cannot, be in these genuine interactions, the SES is nothing. That is why she's telling me that she does not feel her husband. But bro, her husband does everything. She's in his dead energy, doing whatever that he can do on her, having SES with her. But the woman do not feel him, because there is no energetic energy going on. It is just an action going on. You understand? The woman lying down looking at you, she does not feel anything. I'ma be raw with you that you are only thinking with your small head, your anaconda, that you need to stop and cut off that anaconda, switch it off, and be stoic with yourself and be disciplined as a man in your life. For me, the only time a woman told me that she does not feel me, yes, I had a friend that I was interacting with, and she told me that she does not feel me. A lot of girls tell me this, And the only time they tell me that is when I am, seriously thinking about something, like how am I going to make a video, when they are in my presence. That is the only way. But if it's not like that and I am free, open, doing my thing, blood bro, I do not even do anything. They feel me, they sense me, you understand? But as soon as I start being on my purpose, concentrated, doing something, a lot of instances that a woman came to me and said, Entry, are you okay? I said, yes, I'm okay. And I said, why? And the woman said, but today you are very, I do not understand you understand, because my energy, I am on my purpose, and I'm concentrated. So she just wants the attention. She does not feel me. But if you are having SES and the woman does not feel you, bloody bro, that is the difference between me retaining my seed and you being in lust. You understand? Yes, you are using your anaconda, but the woman does not feel you. For me, I am standing far away. I am standing far away. I haven't even touched her, but she has already climaxed for me. She is already pregnant. She is already wet for me. Why? Because my energy is an energetic body that is scarce out here. I am a scarce resource out here, and whenever they are with me, they are eating me alive. That is the difference between me and you that is in last, bloody bro. Retaining your seed out here, we are going to win. We need to win out here as young guys. We do not need to, bloody bro, waste our energy. Wasting our energy. We need to be mature and wake up from this dead mindset, this programming that this universe has programmed us to do, that it is obligatory, it is compulsory that you have a woman show each and every day, every hour, every minute. You have to be on her and pound her with your energy and die. But bro, these young guys are dying in their rooms with no masculine power. The women are beating them alive. On semen retention, your energy is beautiful. So these women, whenever they are with you, they will open up and let you know what time it is. A lot of women will be around me and they will be talking about their husband, a man who is older than me and all of that. But they will let me know that, no, Entry, you are a mature guy. You understand? Even though your age is, you are not older, but you are a mature guy. Yes, bloody bro. These men out there, they are 40 years. It's just a number, but deep down they are 15 years old walking around. But you are 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. But out here you are the king. You are the only one who have the godlike energy inside of you. You are doing something in your life. You are the only guy on your purpose. You are the only stoic man retaining your seed and making very good use of it. We are the only bloody bros out here retaining our seed and mastering the flow of the universal giving energy. So wherever we are in our presence, these women will give in to us and let us know that we are the kings out here. We hold the keys to their doors and they are breaking down their walls for us. Bloody bro, if you have your energy intact, these women will let you lead. They will follow you. They will sleep in your presence and give you all their possessions for you to take over. I ain't gonna lie to you that these men are losing in their rooms because nobody is sitting them down to teach them that their energy is purposeful. They need to make good use of it. If a woman is around you and eating you alive and taking your purpose out of you and exchanging her energy with your purpose, bro, you need to run. Because out here, our energy is beneficial. That is what we need to maneuver through our lives as men. We have a task. We are men. We are soldiers. We are the armies out here that we need to take very good care of ourselves. And if you do that, we are going to win. God will be proud of us. And the beautiful things out here will be for us. Retaining our seed out here, I said that it is purposeful. And as a young guy, I love myself and I feel good each and every day to wake up and know that my energy is intact. That is why out here retaining my seed, bloody bro. I am very serious, and you already know that it is all day, like every day, family. Ha ha.